Take charge, achieve and succeed. Managing people. Do you find it difficult to manage people such as your spouse, your children, your friends, your fellow workers and colleagues? Do you sometimes find it difficult to speak to people? Do you find it difficult that people don't listen to you? You feel no matter what you do or say, people just don't listen or follow you. So the question is, why is this so hard? How do I effectively manage people? What techniques are there? How do I develop this skill? Where am I going wrong? Come and listen to the spiritual teacher and management guru, all-in-one Swami Swarupananda, who goes around the world sharing the wisdom of the universe. Join us at the Sydney Baha'i Center, 107 Derby Street, Silverwater, on November 27, 2014 at 7:30 p.m. on this life-changing free session on managing people. Hari Om.